So we're going to talk about one more variation of this tool. And right now we were kind of doing the healing brush tool to kind of do a wide area to kind of blend everything. We're going to go just north of that and select the spot healing brush tool. So it's going to look just like this icon. We have that selected, and let's go ahead and unlock this layer. I want to remove the letters. I want to add my own letters. So I need these removed first. So we can do that a lot easier by using the brush version. We don't have to sit there and trace around the R. We could just brush it away. So you're going to do a nice skinny brush, one about the thickness or a little bit thicker than the words. So in this case, about 112 pixels. You could do whatever works for you, and I'm literally just going to paint the R away. It's going to take samples around it to find the right selection. We don't need the two. And so you can see this is just like magic. It's really fun to do. It's a lot easier than having to select it and then going up to edit and content fill. So this is just like a lot easier to do. A lot of fun. So now I can add my own objects in here for whatever reason I need that for. And once again, that is the spot healing brush tool. Very, very handy.